Hello, in this video we'll show you how to remove the front door panel on Mercedes CLS W219. In order to remove the door panel, there is a couple of bolts that we need to remove, also a couple of plastic trims. First we'll start by removing these two bolts. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Next we're going to remove this bolt right there and remove this plastic. Next there are three plastic trims that we need to remove. This is the first one. This is the second plastic trim that we need to remove, and the other one is on top of it. Next we need to remove two Torx bolts, which are just there, one there, and next to it is the other one. There's another bolt that we need to remove, and it's just there. Next we're going to remove this plastic that's on the inner side of the wing mirror. And now that all the bolts are removed, we can just pull out the door panel. The door panel now is held by a couple of clips on all sides, but we just need to pull it out and it will come out. That's the door panel out. Now we need to remove the cable for the door handle, and there's also 4 or 5 electrical connectors that we need to disconnect. And now we can remove the door panel. Thank you for watching.